Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make kunde or cowpeas leaves. If you don't know what kunde is, these are cowpeas leaves, and it's going to be a very easy and simple recipe. So over here I have my kunde, which are looking very nice and fresh. My kunde are for 50 shillings and each bunch is 10 bob, so there are 5 bunches. I'm going to start off by plucking the leaves from the stalk. As you can see, plucking the leaves is quite easy and fast. All you have to do is hold the stem upwards and pluck the leaves like that. Once my kunde is nice and clean, I'm going to place a pot over high flame, and then I'm going to add in my clean kunde to my pot. And then next I'm going to be adding a traditional tenderizer. This is made from banana peels. The banana peels are dried and then they are sifted into a powder, which makes this traditional tenderizer for the kunde. So I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons of the tenderizer. The tenderizer is called munyu. If you notice that kunde are too dry, you can add about a 1/4 cup of water. You can see that the kunde has released its own water, and also it has wilted down to maybe 2 cups of kunde, and it was quite a lot. So this is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. This is how my kunde is looking like, and it's very soft and tender. So I'm going to reduce the flames to low, and then I'm going to transfer the kunde to a bowl. Nice. So once done, I'm going to be adding in some cooking oil, and then I'm going to add in onions. Stir in. As the onion is cooking, I'm going to add in 1 seasoning cube. This is going to help in the seasoning of our kunde. I'm going to add back my kunde. And then I'm going to stir in together with the onions. So good. So I'm going to cook my kunde for around 5 minutes, and as you can see, the pot had some fond from cooking our onions together with the seasoning cube, so that is also going to add so much flavor to my kunde. So next I'll be adding about a 1/4 cup of milk, because the kunde is not a lot. Then I'm going to let this cook for around a minute. So this looks so delicious. I'm going to serve myself some just to show you how delicious this looks. My kunde is ready, and you can tell it's delicious just by looking at the plate, because it's looking creamy and delicious, and I'm going to be enjoying mine with some ugali and mala. So I hope you try out this kunde recipe, because it is just perfect. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I catch you on my next episode.